Oh, it's harder to use the 32 saw one.
Oh yeah. That's why we're doing it.
Keep learning.
Let me know if you need me to hold that at all.
Yeah, cool. So far, so good.
It's good. It's really good.
I helped Mark get this gasket on. Mark, what? Dude, yeah, this is all wrong.
I didn't put it on.
Dude, that's so wrong.
Jeff did.
I don't feel like that.
Jeff put it on.
The gasket's on, everything's wrong.
Oh, I built it wrong.
You're supposed to use a yellow plug. Mark,
My bad. I'm still learning. That's why I'm at school.
this is unacceptable.
Just cut it.
I need the fuel sign.
What have you done today, Brad? Just look pretty all day. You just look pretty.
Not every day.
Just today.
Even worse.
Hey, you're working on the barrel too, I see. There's your Halloween barrel. Oh, look at that. Even slacking on the gym, buddy. All right, you're good, Will.
Check it. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Looks perfect.
Nice and tight.
Threads per inch look good, or twists per inch look good. The only thing that might be is just this corner.
Oh, that's
But
you do
that's
it.
so
You will
hard.
know that.
Yeah.
It's not easy to bend this 32 saw.
No. That's really good, though, Will.
Cool.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.